Can a rabbit outsmart a weasel? If you've ever wondered what happens when a rabbit meets a sneaky weasel, well, today's your lucky day. Okay, so in this peaceful garden, our fluffy hero, the rabbit, spots danger. With lightning speed, it dashes and dodges every cunning move the weasel makes. Imagine adrenaline pumping. It doesn't stop, hopping, zigzagging, thinking fast. This rabbit won't become dinner. Ultimately, it's the rabbit's sheer agility and smart tactics that win this epic escape game. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome animal showdowns.